Missed that epic thing. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning with my gun.
How are you today?
Good.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Thank you. I'm good. How are you today?
Dad, she just pushed me earlier.
Abigail, did you push your brother?
Yeah.
You gonna tell him you're sorry?
Sorry. She pushed me actually two times. 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 or 10 or 5 minutes ago.
Okie dokie. How are you, kitty? Kitty.
20 minutes. Hey, you today.
Kitty.
No. Yeah. Now go in this way. Go in this way.
Good job. The cat did open the door, but we got the chain lock on it. Kind of a chain lock, plastic lock.
Yeah, it doesn't really break though.
Thanks, Abigail.
And
Yeah.
I'm about 100% bigger than this chair.
Are you?
Because my arms are
Ah.
Oh, sorry, Mommy.
Okay, thanks. All right, are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna go to the pharmacy. If you've watched our morning routine, we are ready now. Gonna go to the pharmacy, gonna go to the grocery store, gonna go to the PG.
What's PG?
What's PG? What does PG stand for?
Parts in my nose. It's me.
It's you with the bows, yeah.
With the
And
bow.
it's Rafael with
Pig.
his ghost catching gun.
Yeah.
They run around
Kill the ghost.
at night catching ghosts. Oh no, I see boogers in there. We're gonna have to take those out.
I'm gonna
Oh,
get the
Abigail, put
ghost.
my shirt down. So, we're fixing to leave. What's in there, Abigail?
Oh. Kitchen. Yes.
All right, see you in a minute. We tried to watch a movie the other night, Suspiria. The original was terrible. Couldn't sleep through it, and the music was like really bad. And then we tried to watch the new one that came out, and I'm pretty sure that that is not good for your religion. It was terrible as well. So those two movies I do not recommend unless you want to suffer and be miserable. Anyway, we're gonna go now. I am actually going to make myself suffer right now because I'm gonna take the kids to a TOY store, I think, just to let them play while they're there and look around, and you'll see when we get there. All right, well, you can see a silhouette, that's good. I was wearing this shirt and I realized that it is really baggy on me. And this was one that has always been tight on me. So, wow. Wow.
I'm taking Lilyfoot too.
When I say tight, I mean it's like when I lost weight before, it was always tight.
My dog.
Yeah, and I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants because these pants are big and they expose my butt when I bend over. All right, let's go.
Safety first. No, I want to be safety first. Then you're going to die. I want to. And then you better have your seat buckled when you grow up. Okay. It's my seatbelt when I grow up. Just like me, a 6-year-old, safe-year-old. Yeah. Emily is about to sweat. And I'm about to sweat also. I'm about to sweat. With no jacket on. I just took it off. Took it off? The car is really hot. That's what's stressing me out.
We're going to go 3.7 kilometers away. Is that a lot? I don't think it is. It's going to take us 17 minutes to get there.
That's 2 plus 15.
That must be a lot of traffic, I think. That sounds like a lot of traffic. Let's see. It always is, but it's only like noon, so it shouldn't be that much traffic. When my children get my phone, they change all of my settings. It wasn't on auto rotate. Oh, Lord have mercy.
You need it on auto rotate?
Yeah.
Why?
Man, I forgot. Hadar called me right as I was leaving.
Rafael!
Yeah, you're both out. Hadar called me as I was leaving, and I forgot to get my prescriptions. So I was going to walk up there, but since we're already in the car, we're going to get it. It's literally like a block away, but I'm going to go ahead and get it. It's probably going to take about 10 minutes, and then we're on our way.
We are going to play.
No, not here. Okay, they actually don't have the medicine at all there, but I have 4 prescriptions, so that's good. And I just picked up one like a couple weeks ago, so I've been taking it like every other day, so I'll have like 5 months of medicine, which will be great to start me out. I'm hoping that when I get there, I won't even need it because it's a different climate. And my mom was like, yeah, maybe you won't even need it because, you know, it's moist in Florida, so it's dry here. I don't know. My lungs are damaged because I inhaled powder, so, and it was an accident. It wasn't intentional, believe me. It pretty much ruined my life for several years. So we're gonna go walk up there later this evening because they stay open until way late at the other pharmacy. This place closes really soon, so she doesn't have it at all. I guess I took the last one, and now we're gonna go to special things, more special things for the kids.
Can I have your coin?
Yeah.
2.
It's 2 shekels for 1 gumball?
2 shekels? No, I need 2 of your coins.
I think it's only 1 shekel, we'll see. Put your money in it and twist it all the way around. Twist, twist, twist. Keep twisting.
Oh, I got blue.
You got a blue one. All right, put your money in.
Yum.
Here.
Yummy.
Okay, twist it all the way around. All the way, keep going. Oh no. Oh, we got a pink and a blue one. Wow. 2 for 1.
I'm bigger than her.
All right, chew it. It's gum. Don't swallow it. Chew it. Chew it. It's hard. First gumball. You like it? You want me to chew it for you? We're at Zebra, and they're going out of business, so everything's 70% off. The store is like half empty. It's pretty closed in here. Yeah. These are 4 shekels a piece, so I think it's $1, which is really not bad. So I spent a lot of the change. We got gumballs, and we got ice cream with our change, and then we're gonna go on a ride.
Right?
Yeah, we gotta pick one now. A good one.
A good one?
Yeah, for both of you.
I don't pick the car. Not the car. Maybe it's a frog. No, no. It's a frog. No. Fish.
It's a frogfish? I don't know. There's a great big one. Where'd it go? There it is. Yeah.
Big one. It's
Level 4. Where'd the bubbles go? Pop the bubbles. She found a balloon on the ground. Good job. Your sister. It might be locked, I don't know. Hold on, come here, here's the door. But it's locked, so I don't know. I don't know, hold on. Okay, we're waiting on somebody. I think I'm just gonna let him crawl over the fence. Okay, another mommy to the rescue. There you go. All right, be good. Rafael, where's your sister at? Make sure she's getting to play too, okay? Gibby! Wow, that's far. You went far down. Big girl. Missed that epic thing. I'll get you. Go ahead. Lord have mercy. Okay, not so loud. Not so loud. This is so nice. Rafael, don't yell. Girl, what?
Mommy, did you bring a drink?
No.
I need a drink.
Ah. Is this place not crazy? I mean, it's free.
So close.
It's free. I have went to birthday parties where they paid several $100s to get into a place just like this. And it was only for a couple hours, so yeah. You being nice?
Yeah, I'm playing the ball throw game. She's gonna throw balls at me, but she
There's
can't.
a rock climbing wall over there too. Kiddie activities. And they have couches for the parents. There's one over there. You have to climb up. You have to climb up the rock wall. What you doing? Hey. Yeah, you're up there. Come on. Woo! All right. Wow.
Look at me, guys. I'm going to backwards sit. Fall over.
Yeah, that's not safe. Well, we had a good day, didn't we?
Can you hold this?
They got free flags. We
Yep,
spent
somebody
8
give it to
shekels. We spent $2 today to go have fun. Everything changes and we have to go with the flow, right? We got deployed to America. I have no choice, so I'll do it by myself. If you're having a great life and nothing goes wrong with you and then something amazing happens, it's not going to be quite as amazing than if you were like going through a really rough period.